In order to transfer projects from NavCom SurvCE to IntelliCAD, you will need to first establish a USB connection between the handheld device and your PC. Once your handheld is connected and you have opened IntelliCAD, you will be presented with the Setup Wizard. This is a utility available to help you set up a new project. At the bottom of the window, select New. You will now be on the Startup Drawing Wizard. Next to New Drawing, select Set, and you will be taken to a Windows Explorer window where you can enter a name for your drawing and assign a location to save it to on your PC. Once you have a location set and your drawing is named, select Save. You will see your new file's name and its location displayed to the right of the Set button. Under Scale Settings, you can choose between English feet or metric meters, as well as horizontal scale, symbol plot, text plot size, and drawing units. Please note that since we are importing a project from SurvCE, it is important to make sure that these settings match those of your SurvCE project. Once all your settings are set, select the Next button. This will take you to the Startup Wizard Data Files screen. At the bottom of the screen is the Import Points From section. Select Data Collector, and coordinate file options on the screen will gray out. Click on Next, and this will open the Data Collector Programs menu. Select Carlson SurvCE/CSI Mobile, and you will be taken to a transfer screen for SurvCE. On the left of the screen, you will see an Explorer window showing you files located on your PC. On the right, files located on your handheld device. On the right side, navigate to the folder on your handheld device containing your project files, and select the coordinate file you wish to transfer. Then press the Transfer button. You'll see a notification asking you if you would like to include all files that share the job name. Select Yes, and after your files transfer, you will be given a notification indicating that the file transferred successfully. Then select OK and close out of the transfer window. Once back on the main IntelliCAD screen, click on the Points drop-down menu at the top of the screen. Here select Set Coordinate File. Since you are using a coordinate file you created in NavCom SurvCE, you will want to click on the Existing tab. On the right, you will see a list of coordinate files in the Carlson Projects folder. Select the coordinate file you want to work on, and you will see the file type, job description, job number, date, and point range for the project. Additionally, if you have recently used a CRD file, it will appear below in the list of recently used files. Once you have selected the coordinate file you wish to use, select the OK button. This will take you back to the main IntelliCAD screen. Please note that at this time you will not see your points on the screen. Select the Points drop-down menu at the top of the screen again and click on Draw Locate Points. This will bring up the Draw Locate Points screen where you are given many options on how you want your points displayed. These options include the symbol name, which you can enter manually, or you can press the Select button to choose a symbol from the list. The Symbol Category drop-down list at the top of the Select Symbol screen allows you to choose different types of symbols based on the type of work you are doing. Back on the Draw Locate Point settings screen, you can also enter Symbol Rotation Azimuth, which will rotate the point symbol on the screen, allowing for a more unique look. Choose if you would like to only draw nodes, and if you would only like to elevate the text. You can also choose to locate the symbol within a polyline, a distance, or a window chord range. For point prompt label settings, you are given the options to include descriptions, notes, elevations, the use of either a plus or minus sign to indicate above or below sea level, and label zeros. Additionally, you can enter an elevation prefix or suffix, choose to locate the real z-axis, and how many integers you want before the decimal point, and how many spaces after the decimal point you wish to show. Under point number settings, you can choose to display point numbers, use automatic point numbering, and assign a starting point number for your first point. You can also enter a wildcard description match to specify a list of names like layer names and block names. Choose to erase duplicates, fix overlapping point attributes, enter a symbol size scalar value and a text size scalar value. You can choose to layer your points by description and enter a layer prefix as well as assign a layer name. You can enter a layer name manually, or you can press the Select button to choose one from the list. At the bottom of the screen, you are given several options for drawing the points. If you only want to use these settings on certain points, you can choose Draw Range to enter a range of points to assign the settings to, such as points 1 through 4. If you want to assign these settings to a certain group of points, you can select Draw Point Group to enter the group of points. If you would like to enter the points individually, you can choose Enter and Assign and enter the individual points that you wish to assign these settings to. You can also select Screen Pick to choose points off the screen and apply these settings. Or, if you would like to apply these settings to all your points, simply select Draw All. You will now be taken to the main IntelliCAD screen with your points appearing on the screen.